So this is a little cheat method when you're changing your colour on your overlocking threads so you don't have to re-thread the whole lot. So basically these two threads here go to your two needles. These two threads here don't go to the two needles. So what you can do is tie on your original colours here. So I started off with these colours and then I just tied this one here. And then I've run it through my machine. So these two colours are swapped. These two I can't tie on just because it'll get stuck going through the needle. So what you can do instead is literally just change these normally, but it doesn't take that long to change these ones normally because you can see they're just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the needle. So super simple these two ones are. It's these two which are more complicated. So by tying these on, then you don't have to worry about all of the complicated things going on down here. It just makes it super simple and super quick. So you can see here, this is what it looks like at the moment because I've changed just two colours, not all of them. And then all I'm going to do now is change these two up here, and I'm just going to take them out. You just want to make sure your needles are obviously up so you can get to them. And then you can just undo these all the way down here and take them out, and then you don't really waste any thread either. So once you've threaded all of your new colour, I just recommend trying with a scrap piece of fabric just so you can test everything's running through properly. Make sure your threads are all going out through this back bit here, otherwise they can get intertwined around everything. And then just using a scrap piece of fabric, you can then just see if everything's all right.